Okay, so final two questions. Um, we're asked to simplify, so we're ending with simplification for week one, and this is simple, right? This is just like what's it called? It's just like exercise because so far, based on what we've done, this is like a chicken change. I should leave this for you to do. Just type the answer and confirm before you watch the video. Now you have 8u minus u, and that is what? That is like 8 minus 1, so that is 7u, and you're done. Then the second one, you have negative 9c, negative 2c, like terms. Negative 9, negative 2 is negative 11. You just add the c. You've done great. You've done great so far. So take a deep breath. Yeah, and it's a wrap for week one, Intermediate Algebra. And I hope you have enjoyed this lesson so far. And I am so glad to do this with you. And I'm looking forward to week two. See you in week two.